Saan dito yung white? White yellow.
Okay, start! Yellow ball! World Limit versus Russell. Pass to Edward. Ryan. Jonel for two. Wala, malakas. Rebound by Russell. 2 points by Russell. Saspa. Hop. Tapos sabaw. Na-rebound ni Ryan. Nakuha ni Edward. 2 points. Ang bilis ni Edward. Saspa. Pass to Liam. Pass to Kuya. Huli ni Ryan. Ryan. Pass to Reggie. Reggie. To Russell for three. Wala. Rebound by Junel. Ay, Ryan. Reggie pala yun. Reggie Peña. 2 points. Nabella for three. Malakas. Rebound by Ryan. Russell. Wala. Rebound by Carlo. Umatake. 2 in 1. Easy 2 points. Wala. Reggie, hinaras na Saspa. Pass to Junel. Ryan for 2. Magaling pala to. 2 points by Ryan. Ay, Anil! Welcome! Anil for! I missed Anil for 3. Wala, malakas. Tumatakbo. Pinupulikat ang aking katawan. Saspa! Pass to Nabea! Wala pa din! Rebound by Saspa! Saspa! Oy! May pa! Loose pa rep! Number 46! Substitution! Substitution! Anil! In! Edward out! Baluyot! Baluyot! Russell! 46, 46. Saspa, Sablay. Pass to Ryan. Ryan pa boarding, wala, short. Okay, white ball tayo. White ball. Saan? Nabea! Lico for 3! Wala! Ano doon? Black ball tayo! Anil! Nakanakaw sa Anil! Anil! Welcome! Anil! 2 points! Saspa. Pass to Lico. Lico. Back to Saspa. Saspa. Pass to Lance. Lance. Sumabit. Up. Traveling violation. Substitution. Anil for 3. Wala. Rebound by Saspa. Saspa. Pass to Liam. 2 points. Reggie. Pass to Ryan. Ryan. Ang lakas nila. Rebound by Ryan. Pass to Peña. Russell. Reggie for 3. Pasok. Saspa, atake. Saspa, may kasama ng foul. Paul Gutierrez, number 13. Gutierrez, number 13. Black 13. 14-second shot clock. Lance. Atake sa gitna. Pull up jumper. Yes, sir. 2 points by Lance. Still, pass to. Ayos na yan. Wala pa. Hey! Ano ba yan? Jonel, 2 points. Ready for substitution, rep. Ryan. Jay Paul. Saan mo gusto maglaro? Lance, rebound. Liam, tumatakbo. Sige, sir. Ay, may foul na, may foul. Foul. Liam. Timeout. Word limit. 17-5 in favor of Lord Deluxe. Okay, back to the ball game. Black ball, black ball. Bruce, pass to Ramid. Ramid, pass to Anel. Pass to Kobe Porto. Pasok. Last for 3. Malakas. Rebound by Saspa. Saspa. May foul na, may foul na. Anil, number 14, foul. Sa white. Ha? Anil? Ryan, 2 points. Diyan muna. Anil, Paul siya, Paul. Anil for 3. Short. Rebound by Ramid. Pass to. Huli ni Ryan. Ryan, atake. Pass to Sas. Huli din. Steal by Anil. Bruce. Ramid. Pass to Jay. Jay. Atake ba? Umatake. Pull up jumper. Short. Rebound by Bruce. Ramid. Pull up jumper sa side. Wala. Rebound by Saspa. Saspa. Umatake. Saspa. Pasok. Sayang. Lumabas. 44. Ramid. Foul. Or team foul. 2 shots tayo. Pasok yan kay Carlos Saspa. Pasok yan ulit. 19-11. Kobe. Dribbling the ball. Kobe, pustin. Huli. Pass to Saspa. Saspa, atake. Atake. Ganda naman nun. 2 points yan. Stepping on the line. White ball tayo. 36 seconds. Last for 3. Kaboom! 3-point lang. 20 seconds. Ramig. 10. Pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound by 6. Wah, ganda. Ganda ng foul. Penalty. 2 shots. Penalty. 2 shots. Two shots tayo. 2 shots. Pasok. One more. Pasok ulit. Score 19-18 in favor of Flor de la Russell. 3 points. Lo. Lance, nagpababa ng bola. Liam, umatake. Teardrop, may kasama pang foul. Who's foul up? Number 10. Peña. 2 shots. Counted pala. Second. Bonus tayo kay Liam. Wala, in and out. Russell, nagbababa ng bola. Hop, huli. Saspa, atake. Paso Lance for 2. Pasok yan. Lamang na po tayo. 2-point lead. Lakas nun! 3 points! Russell, Baloyot. Liam, babawi ba? Liam for 3! Wala! Malakas! Yes. Traveling violation. Traveling. Nice one. Liam for 2. Pasok yan! Lamang na po ulit ng isa. Ganda ng laban. Pass to Ryan. Ryan nakagaw din. Quinto. Ang bilis ng puti. Saspa. Ay, natutulog sa pansitan. Natapon na sabaw. Natapon din ang sabaw. Bang! Lance 3 points! Trinidad. Wala. Junel. Rebound by Ryan. Tumatakbo. Tumatakbo si Ryan. Ryan atake. Ang ganda naman nun. Malakas lang. Sayang. Huli. Ang sipag naman ito. Tira niya. Steal niya. Liam atake. Oy, ganda naman ang tapik. May foul. Foul Quinto. Number 28. 2 shots tayo kay Peña. Foul siya, foul. Pasok ang una, pasok. 28. Pasok ulit, shooter pala to, si Reggie. Lance Forgy, wala. Ang lakas. Malakas din. Huli. Nice din ulit. Wala. Foul na. 2 shots. 2 shots tayo. Foul. Quinto. 2 shots tayo kay Ryan Trinidad. Substitution up. Substitution. Junel at Jay. Pawig in. Sala. First free throw, Sablay. Pasok na yan. Kay Ryan. My foul. Number 10. Reggie. Ilan na si Reggie? Ha? Reggie! Second personal foul. Pasok! Pasok yan ha! Last throw! Pasok ulit! Lamang pa po ang ating white. Russell Portrait! Tuwid. Substitution, ref! Substitution! Lalaki? Lance! 3 points! 3 points, Lance Nabea. Malakas! Oh, may foul! May foul! Foul, Lance! 2 shots tayo kay Kobe. Substitution, Anel in. Reggie, out. Pasok ulit. 34-30. Liam. Pupwesto. Liam. Pull up jumper. Pasok yan. Ang galing. Mag-utol yan. Mag-utol yan. Mag-utol. May foul. Offensive foul. Kobe. Kobe. Offensive foul. Padayhag. Padayhag. Yan. Foul yan. Timing, good timing. 14 seconds shot clock. Ikaw talaga. Saspa for 3, malakas. Rebound by Anil. Anil. Pass to Jay. Jay for 3. Short. May kasamang foul. Saspa. Counter tayo. Bonus free throw. Okay na yun. Saspa. Warning for penalty na tayo. Ang white, warning for penalty. Saspa. Atake si Saspa. Sayang, nabubo sa baw. Ang lakas. Uli. Muntik na naulo. Si Mike. Bola. 36, 32, 1 minute, 30 seconds. Ay, huli. Still, sayang. Saspa. May kasama pang foul. Tupo. Candelario, foul. Yes, 44. Yan, gamit, foul. Galing na ating table. Oy. Halo. Saspa. Huli. Ganda naman nun. 2 points. Lance for 3. Shot. Two, 1. Counted yan pag pumasok. Sayang. Hindi pumasok. End of second quarter. 38-34 in favor. White Ward we meet. Okay, back to the ball game. Lance. Huli. Junel, up. Parang mainit yung bola na yan. Mainit yata yan. Mainit yan. Jump ball. Black ball tayo. Black ball na tayo ngayon. Kobe Porto, wala. Rebound by Lance. Good. Wala tawag. Huwag kayong titigil. Pasa kaya, ganda naman nun. 2 points. Nice assist. And nice cuts by James Ryan. Edward, pass to Kobe. Wala! In and out! Junel atake! Junel, kinaliwa! Wala din! Rebound by Saspa! Tumatakbo! Diniretso na! Russell! Pass to Edward! Pass to Bruce! Kobe! Bruce Portre! Wala! Rebound by Ryan! James! Huli, ganda naman! Nasusurprise yata ang black ngayon. Ang ganda na nilalaro ng white. Lance. Pass to Liam Portre. Short. Rebound by Russell. Ganda naman ni Edward. Ganda nun. 2 points. Lance Portre. Yes, sir. Ganda ng laro. Bruce Portre, babawi ba? Wala! Galing ni Ryan. Tumatakbo na naman. Tumatakbo na naman ang white. Lance Portre! Yes, sir! Woo! Nagaboy! Nilabas. Reserve timeout tayo. Reserve timeout. Ganda ng depensa. Naman. Wala. Huli. Saspa. Ayan na naman. Step back to Portre. Wala. Rebound by James. Op. Huli. Kobe. Wala. Rebound by. My foul. Timeout. Black. Score. 48-36 in favor of Ward. Limit. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, pasok. Last throw. Last throw. Pasok din. Back to 10-point lead. Lance. Ryan Portre. Wala. Rebound by Ryan din. Candelario. Romit. Tumatake. Romit. May foul. May kasama pang counted yan. Horsepower rep. Ay, 28. Warning for disqualification. Ito tayo, Pedro. Pasok. 7-point lead na lang tayo. 48-41. Ryan. Pass to Saspa. Ganda ng spin move. Wala lang. Mahina. Back to 5-point lead tayo. 48-43. Humahabol. Saspa. Liam. Pull-up jumper. Short. Rebound by Ryan. Naagaw. Kobe atake. Wala. Rebound by Ryan. Ang lakas. Isa pa. Ganda naman nun. Tatlo na lang. Timeout. White. Bumaba na po sa tatlo. 48-45 in favor of Ward Limit. Okay. Back to the ball game. Saspa atake sa gitna. Saspa spin move. Mike sayang. Foul J. Pawig. First team foul. First team foul. Pasok yan kay Saspa. Last throw. Pasok ulit. Back to 5-point lead. 3 minutes, 20 seconds. Ayan, atake. Pass to Jay. Jay, pull up. Ganda ng pasa. Nabubo, mainit. Atabo ng chicken curry. 3 minutes. May tumating na kanya. Check natin dito. 3 points! Lance, 3 points! Jay, babawi ba? Wala! Ibang ba yan eh? Anil! Pass to Russell! Russell, atake! Huli! Ganda naman! Ryan! Huli! 3 seconds! Shot clock! Ay! Ay! Huwag isa inalasat ha pagkakawan. Okay lang, okay lang. Sige. Ganda na pasa, Ryan! To James! To Liam Borgi! Pinalit! Lance! Wala. Nahabol. Kahit saan yan, pasok yan! Woo! Nagkapoy ang kamay! Wala din! Rebound by Russell! Wala din! Rebound by Ramid! Pasok na yan! And one! Nakanakaw! 44, foul, 44. James, 28, pasok. 2 points. James Ryan, 2 points. Si 44, Candelario. Bonus free throw tayo. Ganda nilalaro talaga. Pasok yan! 44, third personal foul. Ryan, umatake. Ayun naman, simple-simple. 2 points by Ryan, Trinidad. Saspa. Ay! May foul na, may foul na, may foul na. Foul na, foul na. Who's foul? Saspa. Ilan na si Saspa? 40 seconds shot clock tayo, 40 seconds. Second personal foul, Carlo. Ryan. Atake. Ryan. May foul. 2 shots tayo. Ryan. 2 shots daw, sabi ng referee. Ryan, ilan si Ryan? Ryan! Last throw, sablay ang una. Galing. Pasok na yan kay Ryan. Isa lang pumasok. Okay, end of third quarter. LC, Sir Jojo.
Hello, everyone. Be good.
Be good to all the players. Be good. Just play the game. Back to the ball game. Start of fourth quarter. Score 58-50 in favor of Ward Remit. Hindi pa, talo. Laman, kalaban. Lico! Pass to Ryan, pass to James. James, atake sa gilid. Ay! Ryan, foul. Para pa-adjust ako ng foul. First foul pa lang yan. Saspa! Ang ganda nun! Rebound by Kobe! Aatake na ang Black. Nag-aapoy. Pasok! Lance, nasa labas pa. Ryan, back to 6-point line na tayo. Lico, paso, Saspa, atake sa gilid. May foul. Second team foul. Kobe. Ganda naman nun. Still, Ramin Porto, balak. Pasok. Lico Bortre! Yay! Woo! Lico! Yan ang ating star player ng White! Walang foul. Body lang daw, body. Humahabol. 5-point lead na lang. 5-point lead. May foul tayo. Who's foul rep? Number 50. Liam Nabea. Substitution rep. Substitution. Last throw. Wala din. Rebound by Jay. Lakas nun. Pawik, 2 points. Oy, 3-point lead na lang. Saspa. Nakalibre na naman. Nag-aapoy. Lance. Wala. Rebound by Junel. Nakalibre. Timeout! Black, wala na kayong timeout. Ang White, may isa pa ang Black. 61, 60 in favor of Ward Limit. Okay, back to the ball game. Fourth to 4, warning for disqualification. Ganda naman nun! May kasama bang foul? Who's foul rep? Number 16, Trinidad Ryan. Warning for penalty na po ang Black. Saspa, pasok. Pasok yan. Jay Portry! Wala. Wala din. Ang lakas nun. Lance, nag-aapoy pa ba? Wala na, ubos. Pasok yan kay Jay. Back to 2-point lead. Saspa. Ganda naman nun. Malakas lang. Ay, nabubuhos sa baw. White ball tayo. White ball. 13 seconds. 13 seconds shot clock. Ryan. Pass to Liam Borger. Ay, wala. Nagpeke. Ang ganda naman. Ay, sayang. In and out. Kobe. Atake. Diretso. Wala. Hindi na. Saspa. Hoy, ang ganda noon. Malakas. Rebound by Lance. Pass to Saspa. Wala din. Black ball. Ang ganda ng laban. Okay. Eto na. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Wala. Tumatakbo ang puti. Eto na. Saspa. Huli. Back to 4-point lead. Ryan. Junel. Atake sa gitna. Pass to Ryan. May ay. 2 points yan. Back 2-point lead. Saspa. Wala. May kasama pang foul. Ryan Trinidad foul. Ang lakas ni Saspa. Bonus free throw. Pasok. May foul. Huli. Number 12. Number 12. Wala. Back to 4-point lead, 69-65. Ganda naman nun! Knockout play! Ganda! Ryan, 2 points. Back to 6-point lead. 2 minutes. Pass to Russell. Huli! Ang galing! Wala! Jay! Atake si Jay! Sure ball tayo, sabi ni Jay! Back to 4-point lead! Last 2 minutes! Is brought to you by R&R Sportswear. Malakas! May foul nakasama. Number 12 again. Ilan na number 12? Ha? Third personal foul. Host foul. 12. Warning for disqualification. Pasok ko yan, kaya lamig. 3-point lead na lang tayo. 3-point lead. 71-68. Isa na lang. Shot! White ball tayo. Ganda ng laban. Oy, may foul. Number 46. Foul. Wala. May pag-asa pa. 1 minute and 27. Back to 4-point lead. Wala din. Ganda nun. Ngayon naman, 2-point lead na lang tayo. 72-70. Lance. Pass to Carlo. Carlo to Liam. Wala, malakas. Rebound by Kobe. Atake. Kobe. Nabubuhay sa baw. Nabubuhay sa baw. Ganda. Ito na. 72-70. Kinakabahan na. Ito na. 10 seconds! 8, 7, 6, 5! Wala! Rebound by Jay! May foul! May foul! Penalty na tayo! Timeout! Block! No more timeout! Both teams, no more timeout! 2 free throw by Jay! Ang ganda ng laban. Eto na. 72-70. 24 seconds. Free throw by Jay Pawik. Ang ganda ng laban. Both teams are penalty. Okay, ang ganda ng laban. Free throw po tayo. Penalty na po, both teams. Penalty na. Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. 2 free throw by Jay Pawik. Eto na. Shooter to, shooter. Malakas! First game pa lang ni Jay dito, kaya kinakabahan pa. Ganito talaga environment ito sa Pibao. Pang championship lagi ang laro. Wala ulit! Rebound by Ryan! Ayan na! Eto na! Ay. Save ball tayo, black ball! Wala! Rebound by White! Ito na! 40 seconds! Foul! Ang galing! Sayang yun! Woo! 2 shots tayo, 2 shots! 2 shots by Saspa! Pasok! Ang galing! Pang championship ang laruan. Wala! May pag-asa pa! May pag-asa pa! 6! Wala! Wala din! Wala na! End of the game! 73-70! Our winner, World Limit! Nice game, boys! Nice game!
Congratulations. Congratulations. Congratulations.